Great. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very special guest. We have Sumi with us, and we have Coach Sulagna. So, Sumi, as I told you, we're having certain health issues like acidity, gastritis, irregular periods, loose stool, poor digestion, IBS, nose and stomach, proctitis, and UTI infection. So, let's go directly to Sumi and ask what has been her experience in Go Nature as a gold member. She took personal consultation, and the coach assigned was Sulagna. Sulagna was sitting like this, I think 3, 4 years back, and she had IBS, IBD, Crohn's. Once doctor said this is IBS, one said this is IBD, one said this is Crohn's, and one said, do you have an insurance? Am I right, Sulagna? Show me a thumbs up. Yeah. And then finally we decided whatever it is, let it be. We'll just start the treatment, and that would be the best thing. Today, Sulagna is a coach, and see how universe works. I just randomly select, and we found that when we assigned Sumi and when we assigned Sulagna to Sumi, and we found they both had similar health issues. So over to you, Sumi. How has been your journey, and what benefits you got, and what message you're going to give to the universe, to the people watching you?
Hi, I am Sumi. I am 19. First of all, thank you for inviting me in the Hall of Fame. From the past 3.5 years, I was having gastritis, acidity, and there was a node in my stomach. So I have tried allopathy, homeopathy, then supplements, Ayurveda, and finally I have come to Vishal sir. And no matter what I eat, I always have pain and burning sensation in my stomach. So it's been only 2.5 months I have taken the personal consultation. I'm not having any pain right now. I have reversed gastritis, and I was having IBS. Because of that, I was seeing loose stools every day. Uh, Along with that, the stool was sticky and there was mucus also. And in the last year, I have also seen blood in my stool also. So now the stool has started to form, and there is less mucus in my stools. And then I was having proctitis, which is inflammation in the rectum. So the pain has now reduced, but I am working on it to heal it completely. And I was having frequent UTI. Just following the diet for just 2 weeks, I was having no pain while urination, and I was having irregular periods. My period cycle length was more, but from the past 2 months, it has came to 28 to 30 days normally. So I want to thank Sulagna ma'am, who is my nutritionist. She was always there to guide with my diet, to answer my questions. For everything, she was there to hear all my problems. A big thanks to her, and also for the entire team of Go Nature. Thank you.
So actually, in the beginning, I was thinking that maybe because of my health issues, you have selected me as Sumi's coach. So
Universe.
I was not knowing about this. And then when I came to know, then I asked in one of our meeting. Then you said, no, it is a random selection. So, and coming back to Sumi, she has always been a great student, and she is very regular on on her diets. And when she was assigned, seeing her big list, I was thinking that it is a tough task for me because like she said, inflammation in the rectum, and then blood in stool, and node in the stomach, all these things are little complex. So I was also thinking whether I'll be able to cure her or not. But seeing his improve seeing her improvement day by day, I was getting confidence. And even I was taking her status every weekly and 15 days. So she was saying there's improvement and all that, because I also get tensed when I listen to her sometimes. And then I told her, she used to ask me that, ma'am, whether I'll be able to come out of all these problems or not. I said, yes, definitely you'll be able to come out, because I also suffered like you, so I can understand in a better way. And also there is one, I think I have shared one video. I would like to say about this to everyone in this meeting, weekly mastermind. I came across one video where a doctor who is a cardiologist, uh, and he is in AIMS. So 20 years back, he got his brain TB. So out of the 20 medicines, 20 antibiotics, all the 19 antibiotics were resistant and only one was sensitive. He also got a heart failure. But from the mind yoga and from the mind healing techniques, he healed himself and he's out of the brain TB. Now it's been 20 years. He is promoted to senior cardiologist and he's still in AIMS. And I think I have forwarded that he has giving him he's a TEDx. He has given his speech in TEDx, and I have shared the video. I can share that. It's quite
Yes.
inspiring, and I believe if we can work on our mind can do wonders, and it can heal any disease. So
Amazing.
thank you, Sumi, for believing us and believing in naturopathy and joining this. And I wish you all the best for your
Thank you.
future.
Thank you so
And definitely, one day you'll come out of all these things. I mean,
Amazing.
all your health
Amazing.
issues. Yep.
Amazing.